Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and specifically welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a calculated query. How can you create a calculated query in Microsoft Access database? As you can see, I already created a table called the building cost. So I'm assuming somebody is having a table called the building cost, having items, having their names, having the specifications, their unit price, and their quantity price, and the supplier. So in this video, you're going now how you're going to use the unit price and the quantity, okay, to get the item costs for each of the item. Okay, in other words, you're going to multiply them, and I'm going to show you how we multiply them. All right. Not wasting time. If you really like this content, you can like, you can subscribe, you can comment, so that we can help us interact with you. Thank you very much. Let's dive in. Okay. We start by going to create. Okay. After clicking on create, query wizard. Okay. Then we want the table called building costs, and we close. Okay. The items we want item ID. Okay. I want item name. Maybe I want also their unit price and their quantity. Okay. Then I'm going to come here in another field. I'm going to add another field called item cost. Okay. And I'm going to use this item cost. Okay. This is how we create a field here. From here, write item cost. Then you bring a full column. Okay. So bringing the full column, you are now telling it, please, what we're going to do, bring the square brackets. Okay. So bring the square brackets, put the now inside the field that you want to multiply with the other. Say unity price. Make sure you put the right name. Okay. I cross it. Then I multiply it with another field. Okay. Shift, then bring the multiplication sign with another field called the quantity. Make sure you bring in the right spelling of quantity so that you don't mess up. Okay. So that's the spelling of quantity that I used, and then I cross it. Okay. That is the syntax. If you can see, I started by creating that field. Okay. Separated it with a semicolon. Okay. Then unit price and multiply it with quantity. So that's it. I can even choose to make them come in ascending or descending order by clicking here, and I bring them in ascending order. Right. Then I go and run the query. Okay. You can see here that at least I have the item price, their quantity, and the item cost for each item. So that's how we create calculated query in Microsoft Access database. Calculated query. Okay. So subscribe, and we keep you updated with some more kind of this work, and we help us grow together. Thank you very much.